Okay, bear witness with me to my garden. Starting my garden. Just turn over the soil. Well, not just, I've been working on it for a while now. These are the first little stuff that's coming up. Just plant them like a week ago. That's some uh, green, yep, purple onions and garlic. Then I just planted this like 3 days ago. I think that's a watermelon. And I have something there. It hasn't started popping up yet. But and right along here I have seeds, all kind of peppers, uh, hot pepper, not hot pepper. There's another purple onion. This right here is an avocado. Well, see what's going on with that pineapple. So, and here's my manure or mulch that I pour, I sprinkle in my dirt. So this is kind of like the preparation stage. I'll take you along the journey so you can see what's going on. These are all mangoes. I plant mango seeds. I plant them from the seeds. So let's see if they're going to catch. So there, I got a few of them. All along this fence line before I put up my wall. Yep. So as things go along and progress, I will let you know. I will let all you guys know.